Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the latest reform of our central government, transparent taxation. Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi launched this scheme on 13th August 2020 via video conferencing. The scheme is also known as Honoring the Honest. The background of the scheme is it is the focus of tax reforms is to reduction in taxes. It also focuses on simplification of direct taxes. The Central Board of Direct Taxes coming with many reforms for efficiency and transparency in tax system. The scheme will definitely benefit the honest taxpayers in country. Now let's look what are the recent reforms carried out by Central Board of Direct Taxes. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has carried out several major reforms in direct taxes in the recent years. As part of it, a document identification number was introduced. As per this scheme, every communication of the department would carry a computer-generated unique document identification number. This will bring transparency in official communication. IT departments has also moved forward with pre-filing of income tax returns. That is to make compliance more convenient for individual taxpayers and increase the ease of compliance for taxpayers. IT department also brought out the Direct Tax Vivad e Vishwas Act 2020 to provide for resolution of pending tax disputes. To effectively reduce taxpayer grievances or litigation, the monetary thresholds for filing of departmental appeals in various appellate courts have been raised. The digital transactions and electronic modes of payment too have been encouraged to cut down red tapeism. Then what is transparent taxation? The transparent taxation scheme is based on three important foundations. Number one is faceless assessment, number two is faceless appeal, and third one is taxpayers charter. The faceless appeal will come into effect only on September 25, while the faceless assessment and taxpayer charter will come into effect starting today. It dreams at banking the unbanked, securing the unsecured, and funding the unfunded in part of new governments. It also brings a people-centric and public-friendly approach in tax system. According to this scheme, taxes have been reduced along with the complex tax paying process for the ease of taxpayers. Under the new tax regime, there is no tax up to the income of rupees 5 lakh. As per Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is one of the lowest tax consuming countries in the world when it comes to corporate taxes. The term seamless here means that this states that the IT department must work to solve the problems of taxpayers instead of confusing them and creating problems. With the introduction of faceless assessment, every taxpayer of the country is assured fair, courteous, and just behavior. It is now the responsibility of the IT department to take care of the taxpayers' dignity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi further requested the citizens that those who can pay taxes but are not under the tax slabs must come forward to pay taxes to achieve the vision of self-reliant India. With the introduction of this scheme, this could eliminate physical interface between the taxpayers and tax authority. These measures also include a directive that takes away the powers of regular assessing officers to conduct surveys. It also restricting such powers to only the investigation and tax deducted at source fee. That too, only after authorization from a senior official of Director General or Principal Commissioner rank. The faceless appeal means that it allows a taxpayer to contest any tax claim without any personal interaction with authorities. The notices, if any, will be sent only by the centralized computer system, and the taxpayer can respond to them electronically without the requirement of visiting a tax office or meeting any official. The most assessment orders will have to be passed by National E-Assessment Center through the Faceless Assessment Scheme of 2019. With the help of the Taxpayers Charter, taxpayers will have the right to choose their representatives, lodge complaints, and seek disposal of issues in a timely manner. In turn, they must return accurate records, disclose required information, and pay taxes on time. The Charter enumerates rights and obligations of taxpayers. The CBDT Thursday amended the e-assessment scheme 2019 for implementing faceless assessment. Most of the industrialists have welcomed the scheme as it enabled more transparency, accountability, and ease in tax payments to them. But the actual merits and demerits of the scheme are yet to be examined by the experts. With this, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Stay connected with us. Stay safe, study safe. Thank you.